Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. And in this video, I will show you on how to color grade your video clip in Filmora video editing software. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to drag your video clip into the timeline, just like what you see right there. This particular video here, I want to color grade the video so that it looks more unique. And for that, what you want to do here is to come to the sidebar right here. Go ahead and click on color tab. Under the color tab, you have default right here. You have default, you have custom. However, there are some templates right here. What you need to do here is to click on here to collapse. Then you can hover your mouse until you are satisfied with any of the color right here. So hover your mouse to any one right here. So I think I'm satisfied with this one right here. The name of this one is boost color. Okay. Now, when I select this, next thing we want to do here is to see how we can easily correct the color in order to get exactly what you want. So in this regard, what you need to do here is to scroll down right here. So we have detail about the color right here, such as vibrance. You can decide to control and turn down the vibrance a little bit. You can add a little bit saturation. You can scroll down right here and add a little bit exposure. You can turn down the brightness. Everything depends on how the color of the real video look like. That will determine how you adjust the color. Then you can decide to work on the contrast right here. So increase the contrast a little bit. Then you can go ahead and turn down the white a little bit. Then here you can scroll down until you get to sharpen right here. So adjust the sharpen based on the clip. So here I'm trying to use 5% more sharpen right here. So once you are done with all the settings as far as the color grading is concerned, you can come to the top right here, click on here. This will allow you to preview your video. You can see before and the after. Once you are satisfied with the result, go ahead and come back right here and click on OK, and then you are done. So if you take a look at the video right here, all the color has been drastically improved, and then we have color grading the video based on our taste. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.